Have you noticed how everyone has constantly been upgrading and improving to keep up with the Industrial 4.0 trend of intelligent manufacturing? In addition to automation, we put more emphasis on how to make our operators more efficient. How can you create big data models for your company, instantly oversee your production lines, and effectively improve personnel utilization to optimize your overall capabilities? CipherLab Smart Manufacturing solution is the answer to those questions, offering a wide variety of versatile combinations to meet any client's demands, and a full spectrum of notable features such as its guaranteed stability, low power consumption, low construction costs, and the relative ease with which it can be assembled. CipherLab Nemo is equipped with an assortment of ports that support connection to numerous types of equipment, making it the best possible solution for internet connection and data collection equipment available today. Quick data integration and consolidation are also viable options, making your factory even smarter than you thought possible. Can you imagine that your factory management could actually be smarter than it currently is? For example, when your workers arrive at their workstations, the power will only be turned on after identity and authorization are absolutely confirmed. It then begins to record each worker's entire working process through Nemo. It can also record and monitor whether the assembly process is correct and going as planned. Furthermore, it can build a traceable manufacturing history for a single product to ensure the product's quality. Finally, it analyzes overall personnel utilization. Managers can instantly monitor each worker's efficiency by utilizing one of Nemo's server's functions. CipherLab's Smart Manufacturing solution makes visualization management feasible. Supervision of your production line couldn't be any easier. By simply analyzing the data collected from the Nemo server, the cost of any machine can be easily controlled. Connecting the equipment to the internet to record the usage rate and the timely replacement of the equipment are two other valuable features. When it detects an abnormality in the equipment, an alert notification will instantly be sent to management so that the problem can be handled without delay. CipherLab Nemo is the nerve center of the smart factory. Along with the Nemo server and cloud analysis, it helps build an exclusive smart manufacturing solution for each and every factory. CipherLab's Smart Manufacturing solution supports strong decision-making and execution, ensuring better utilization of personnel and increasing your factory's overall competitiveness. Smart manufacturing for a rewarding future. CipherLab Smart Manufacturing solution.